Getting a girlfriend is not something that can be achieved through a specific set of steps or by following a formula. Finding a romantic partner is a personal journey that is different for everyone and involves a combination of luck, effort, and personal growth. That being said, here are a few general tips that may be helpful. Be yourself. It's important to be genuine and authentic in your interactions with others. Trying to be someone you're not is likely to come across as inauthentic and may not attract the right kind of partner. Make an effort to meet new people. One of the easiest ways to meet new people is to get out and try new things. Consider joining a club, taking a class, or volunteering for a cause that interests you. These activities can be a great way to meet people with similar interests. Take care of yourself. Pay attention to your own well-being and work on becoming the best version of yourself. This includes things like staying healthy, taking care of your appearance, and working on personal growth. Be open to new experiences. Don't be afraid to try new things and step out of your comfort zone. This can help you to grow as a person and may lead to new opportunities and connections. Be open to different types of relationships. Don't limit yourself to a specific type of partner or relationship. Be open to different types of people and experiences, as this can help you to find a relationship that is truly fulfilling. Remember, finding a romantic partner is not something that can be forced or rushed. It's important to be patient and to focus on building a fulfilling and meaningful life rather than just seeking a relationship for the sake of it.